Okay, close your eyes. Yeah, get one. Close eyes. Ano? Unsa man na? What's that?
Octopus.
Where will the octopus go? Does it fly? Swim? Does it fly? Does it swim? Or does it walk?
It swims.
Swims.
Into the water.
Wow, good job. Dali. It swim into the water. Let's papilit it into the water. Oh, kaya pilit. Asa, dire ang mga swim. Dire ang mga walk.
Oh.
It's okay. Just hold the kilid. Ako na napaon. Na.
Kade?
No, diha. Dire ang mo swim.
Kade?
Kana kay mo fly.
Kade?
Mo walk or crawl.
Kade?
Kana. So, diha, pwede na na. Okay. Wow, next. Close your eyes and pick one. Oy, close eyes. Ah. What's that? Huh?
Here. A fly that.
Okay, let's papilit the bee.
Kade?
Oh, there goes the flying creatures. Dali, ato mo tangan.
Flying.
Flying gi ana.
Or swimming.
Okay, okay. Dire ang flying, dira. Good job. Next, get one. Okay na na, pilit na na. Oh, get one. Close your eyes. Hey, you need to close your eyes. What's that?
It's a bird. Flying duck.
Pabutang isa glow. Pagani glow.
Flying duck.
Ikaw, what do you think? Does it fly, swim, or walk?
It's fly.
Okay, there you go.
That means kadidi.
Ah.
Dapat sa pier.
Ara, ibutang. Op, bali. Ah, good job. Kitapad sila, tapad. Anak, tapad. Oh, next, close your eyes. Ikaw, pausa. Ah, close eyes. Yeah. Pick one. What did you get?
A pig.
Okay, does it fly, walk, or swim?
It's what?
Oh, yep, correct. It goes into the land. It's walking pig. Okay.
That's not a secret.
What's your secret? Sige, papilit sa ning pig.
Swimming pig.
Ayan sa... Yan na, wala pa kayo mapilit. Okay, butang na sa walk. Oops. Okay. Good job. Okay, get one na saan? Get one. Get one, get one.
It says squirrel.
Squirrel. Does it fly? Is that a flying squirrel? No. I think
No.
that's not a flying squirrel.
It?
Ah, does it fly? Does it walk or swim?
I think it's more.
Okay, put it in the walk.
I think it's more.
Yes, put it in the walk area.
The cat.
Ana, sakto ra na datra. Para di ka di mapila mo kamot. Ning ana ra man na. Nya makatag ra man na ikabutang nimo.
Said.
Walk asa dira are maning walk, diri ang fly, diri ang swim. Good job. Okay. Get more.
Oopsie. Hello, thank you.
Okay, wala na. Sige. Ikaw na. Oh, nibok.
What?
Ah, binangabo. What's next? Usara, gitpan. Oo. Sana.
Fresh.
Does it fly? Can the fish fly?
No.
Where will we put it? Fly, walk, or swim?
Swims
Good
into the
job.
water.
Good job. Okay, next.
Blue.
Lapos lagi sa, bisa gamay ra ibutang sa. Mukatag siya na, bisa gamay ra ibutang.
Okay?
Moro na secret para di magkaglo yung kamot. Dapat gamay pa jud di ay. Sige, one more.
Open the eyes.
What's that? Whoa, it's Mr.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Does it fly, walk, or swim?
I think it fly.
Okay, let's put some glue. Ya, ikaw magutang. Anak, gamay ra jud yan. Ah.
Come on.
Wala i-glow yung kamot na, basta gamay lang. Pero mapilit yapon. Good job! Get more!
Oh,
Kina, pilit naman oh. Sige, more. Kuha pa more.
how do you take that booty hook?
Hindi namin ako. Pinipilit naman. Ano na? What?
Eagle.
Eagle? Wow, does it fly, walk, or swim?
It's flies.
Dali, di, batang yung sabihin.
Wing.
It flies.
Fly.
Gamay rin may batang mo ni secret gamay rin.
Basta takada.
Lapos. Maigo imong kamot sa glow. Ah. Good job. Sunod. Next. Lapos gyapon. Wala naman.
Oh.
Okay, pilit na na eh. Oh, dahil
Ano
na
ba
kami.
fly na kina equal?
Kusog ka na siya mo fly. Makuha ganyan na snake.
Kay?
Iya hantingon, iya kanon. Iya ray tagak. Igon siya.
Panihan anak puspado.
Ika na, unsa rin nakuha?
Bird. Octopus.
What's that?
Butterfly. Bee. Swimming. Pig. Octopus. Butterfly.
What's this in your hand?
Oh, white.
What's that?
It's a dog.
Does it fly, walk, or swim? Oops, oops,
I
oops.
think it's walk.
Tara. Tangan ako glow. Ganito itong kay vlog.
Kasi imo dahil ka para upload.
Pilit mo kamot. Sige. Apay daghan. Gamay na lang.
Kapay na.
What's that? Those nice man. What did you get?
It's a whale.
Well,
It swims in water.
it swims in the water.
Kapay na.
Glue that whale.
Buck whale. It's like a humpback whale.
Humpback whale. Amazing. Sige, next.
See?
Kinana, pilit na na eh. Napay daghan. What did you get? Surprise! It's a... What's that?
Cat.
A cat.
I think it's a squirrel.
Cat ka na. Jaguar.
Diba?
Murag jaguar sa cat. Big cat sa manang jaguar.
Murag pig. Cat.
Sige, glue it. Where you put it?
It's the blue card.
Where will you put that cat? Very good.
Wala na.
Next. Wala na, son? Tanaw daw, napawan ah.
Don't just
Okay, all done.
It's
Great job. Ay, pwede. Great job, son. I'm so proud of you, my boy.